Good morning, dear children. Welcome to Maths class. Today we are going to continue with chapter 4 Practical Geometry. So, in the last class we have seen how to construct a quadrilateral by using the first method. What is the first method? We have learned when the measurement of four sides and one diagonal is given means how you will construct a quadrilateral. We have seen in the previous session. So today we are going to learn the second method. So what is the second method? When three sides and two diagonals are given. So when three sides measurement for the quadrilateral, the measurement of three sides are given and two diagonals measurement is given means how you will construct a quadrilateral that we'll see in today's session. So construct a quadrilateral. First question is construct a quadrilateral ABCD. AB is equal to 4.5 centimeter, AD is equal to 5.5 centimeter, CD is equal to 5 centimeter, AC is equal to 5.5 centimeter and BD is equal to 7 centimeter. So first thing what you want to do, you want to draw a rough sketch. First thing you want to draw the rough sketch. So here what is the name of the quadrilateral? ABCD. So first thing you want to draw the rough sketch. So you are going to draw the rough sketch. So draw the quadrilateral, just rough sketch. You can draw a quadrilateral. It should have four sides. So just draw a quadrilateral. Okay, this is just a rough sketch. So you don't want to draw the exact shape. So what is the name of the quadrilateral? ABCD. What is the name of the quadrilateral? ABCD. So we are going to name it as A, B, C and D. So here what is the measurement given? AB 4.5 centimeter. So AB, what is the measurement? 4.5 centimeter. And AD, what is the measurement? 5.5 centimeter. So AD, what is the measurement given? 5.5 centimeter. Next CD, what is the measurement given? 5 centimeter. So CD, what is the measurement? 5 centimeter. Then AC 5.5 centimeter. So here where is AC? This is AC. So you want to draw the diagonal. AC, what is the measurement? 5.5 centimeter. Next BD. Where is BD? BD. So this is another diagonal. Draw the another diagonal. So what is the measurement, children? 7 centimeter. So we have drawn the rough figure. So first thing what you want to do, just read the question. So here construct a quadrilateral. What is the name of the quadrilateral? ABCD. So you are drawing a rough figure ABCD. Then according to the measurements given in the question, just write the measurements. So now you got a rough figure for this quadrilateral. Now according to this you want to draw the quadrilateral. So before drawing that, here you have two diagonals. Do you remember in the previous problem, first method? Do you remember the previous problem how we have drawn there four sides? The length, the measurement is given for the four sides. 1, 2, 3, 4 will be given and one diagonal also measurement will be given. The first method. So we will be drawing the diagonal as a baseline and we will construct the quadrilateral. So here you have two diagonals. So which one you will draw first? So you can draw AC or BD. For example, I am taking AC as a baseline. So I am taking this. Okay, I'll draw like this. So it is easy to understand. So I am going to draw AC as the diagonal. I am going to draw AC as the baseline. So AC. So what is the measurement of AC? 5.5 centimeter. So I am going to draw AC as the baseline. So what is the measurement of this diagonal AC? 5.5 centimeter. So here, look at here, AC. So here upper part, D. Upper part is D and the lower part is B. So here upper part will be D and lower part will be B. Now if I am taking BD as the diagonal, if I am taking BD is the diagonal. So I am taking BD as a diagonal. What is the measurement? 7 centimeter. So if I am taking BD as the diagonal, so look at here, this is BD. So what is the upper part? C. What is the upper part? C. And what is the lower part? A. This you have to keep in mind. So if you are drawing AC as the baseline, so for this quadrilateral, which will be the upper part D and opposite to D, B. So if you are drawing BD as the diagonal, if you are taking BD as the baseline, BD diagonal you are taking it as a baseline. So what is the measurement of this? 7 centimeter. So look at here, this is the baseline. So what will be the upper part? C and the lower part A. This you have to keep in mind. You can choose any one diagonal as the baseline, but when you are taking that, you should be very careful with the upper and lower part. Okay children, so here I am going to draw AC. I am going to take the baseline as AC. AC, what is the measurement? 5.5 centimeter. What is the measurement of AC? 5.5 centimeter. So here this is a second method, right? So in this quadrilateral, what are the given things in the question? 3 sides and 2 diagonals. So now you know how to construct a quadrilateral. So first thing you want to keep in mind, whenever you get the question, first thing read the question and draw the rough figure. Once you have completed the rough figure, then it is easy to construct the quadrilateral or whatever shape, it is easy to construct. So the first thing what you want to do, here I am going to take AC as the baseline. Okay, so AC, what is the measurement? 5.5 centimeter. So with the help of the scale, you are going to measure 5.5 centimeter. So with the help of the scale, I am going to measure 5.5 centimeter. I am going to draw a line segment 5.5. So I am going to name it as AC. AC. You can use pencil. Okay, here since for your clarity I have using marker, so you have to use scale and pencil. So here I am going to write 5.5 centimeter. I am going to write 5.5 centimeter. Okay, now next thing you are going to take the compass. You are going to take the compass. So in the compass you are going to measure, we have drawn AC, right? So here we have drawn a line segment AC 5.5 centimeter. Next thing, you are going to take the compass and you are going to measure. What is AD measurement? 5.5 centimeter. What is AD measurement, children? What is AD measurement? 5.5 centimeter. So in the scale, you are going to measure 5.5 centimeter. So in this scale, you are going to measure 5.5 centimeter. Then I am going to keep the compass at the point A and I am going to cut the arc. Then CD, what is the measurement? CD 5 centimeter. CD, what is the measurement? CD, what is the measurement? 5 centimeter. So with the help of the scale and compass, I am going to measure 5 centimeter. I am going to measure 5 centimeter. Then I am going to keep the compass at the point C. I am going to cut the arc. So look at here, these two arcs did not meet, right? So you will think how we will make a point D. Just don't worry. AD, what is the measurement? 5.5 centimeter, right? Extend this one. Extend this arc till it meet. So now we got the point. We got the point D. So next thing what we will do, children, you are going to join AD. You are going to join AD. Okay. Next thing you are going to join point A and D. If you want, I'll just mark with a marker, then it is easy for you to see. Okay, so I have drawn AD. Next thing, I'm going to join DC. So now we have completed the upper part. Now we have completed the upper part of this triangle. So AC is a baseline. So what is the measurement? Don't forget to write the measurement. This is 5.5 centimeter. And CD, what is the measurement? 5 centimeter. So now the same way we want to construct the down part. So here AB, what is the measurement of AB? 4.5 centimeter. So again here with the help of the scale and compass, you are going to measure 4.5 centimeter. Measure it 4.5 centimeter. Then keep the compass at the point A and cut an arc. Keep the compass at point A and cut an arc. But look at here, children. CB, no measurements. Here, no measurements because 3 sides are given and 2 diagonals are given, right? So here, DB measurement, you know, what is the measurement of DB? 7 centimeter. So, you are going to take the scale and compass and then you are going to measure DB. What is the measurement? 7 centimeter. Measure with the compass 7 centimeter. Okay, then you are going to keep the compass at the point D. You are going to keep the compass at point D and you are going to cut an arc. So you can see here. So since CB, we don't know the measurement, but we know the diagonal B. D and B 7 centimeter. So we are measuring in a compass 7 centimeter. We are keeping that in the point D. We are cutting an arc here. So we got the point here B. We got the point B. So next thing what you are going to do, you are going to join DB. You are going to join D and B. Join DB. Next thing what you are going to do? You are going to join AB. You are going to join AB. Then what is the leftover? BC. So what is the measurement here? 7 centimeter. What is the measurement for this AB? 4.5 centimeter. So we have completed constructing a quadrilateral. We have completed constructing a quadrilateral. So I'll explain one more time. So the next thing what you want to do, you want to write the steps for this quadrilateral. So you can write in your own words. You can write the steps in your own words. How you will write? For example, draw a line segment AC of 5.5 centimeter. Then with A as center, with 5.5 centimeter in a compass, cut an arc. Like that you can write the steps in your own words. Or else in the textbook they have given the steps clearly. It is little bit bigger. Read it, understand it and better write in your own words. Okay, so I'll explain one more time. So this is the second method. What is the second method? When 3 sides and 2 diagonals are given. So when 3 sides and 2 diagonals are given means how you will construct a quadrilateral. So first question, construct a quadrilateral ABCD. So the name of the quadrilateral is ABCD and the measurements are given. So the first thing what you will do, you will draw the rough figure. So the first thing you will draw the rough figure ABCD. Simply draw a quadrilateral and name it as ABCD. The next thing, according to the question, give the measurement. So here AB 4.5 centimeter. Find out where is AB. Here is AB 4.5 centimeter. Like that you want to write the measurements. The next, according to this measurements, you are going to construct a quadrilateral. So here you are having how many diagonals? 2 diagonals are given in the question. So if you are taking AC as a diagonal, AC diagonal as a baseline, if you are taking AC as the baseline, then What will be the upper part, children? D will be the upper part and B will be the lower part. If you are taking BD as the diagonal, BD diagonal, if you are taking as a baseline, then for this, which part will be the upper part? C. And opposite to C, A. Okay. So here I have taken AC as the baseline. Here I have taken AC as the baseline. 5.5 centimeters. So my upper part will be D and my lower part will be B. Then don't forget, after completing the quadrilateral, don't forget to mention the points and the measurements. It's very important. The next thing, you want to write the steps. So the first thing, rough sketch. Second one, you want to construct the quadrilateral according to the given measurement. And the third part is you want to write the steps. So now in this chapter we have seen two methods. The first method is if 4 sides and 1 diagonal is given, means how you will construct a quadrilateral, you all know. So today we have learned the second method. What is the second method? If 3 sides measurement is given and 2 diagonals measurement is given, means how you will construct the quadrilateral, we have seen. Now I will show the homework problem. So same way you want to do the homework problem. Okay. So this is your homework problem. Construct the quadrilateral. Name of the quadrilateral is LIFT. So construct the quadrilateral and the name of the quadrilateral is LIFT. So measurement, Li is equal to 4 cm, IF is equal to 3 cm, TL is equal to 2.5 cm, LF is equal to 4.5 cm, IT is equal to 4 cm. So you want to construct the quadrilateral by using this measurement. So the same way what I taught you, the same way you want to do it. First thing what you will do, you'll draw the rough figure. Next you will construct the quadrilateral. Then third step you will write the steps. You can write the steps in your own words. Okay children. So the third method we will be seeing in the next session. Okay children. Thank you children. Have a nice day. Bye bye.